Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here scroll down and you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to activate or turn off the silent mode you should tap on this switcher and that's it. Also we could just mute the ringtone volume panel and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. When we'll unmute it we can see that the silent mode switcher is turned off. Also we can make it by the third way, just open the control panel and find mute icon. Click on the icon to activate it and to turn it off. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.